without karma. Your physical and sensual aspect of life is related with karma. Then there is your mental. And your mental life is related with, not karma, that related with devotion. Okay? That related with emotion, and if you will change your emotion towards Godhead, that will be devotion. Devotion is nothing else. But when a person change his emotion and to Godhead, that is called devotion. If you are using your emotion for your worldly affair, that's called emotion. Okay? So emotion change into form of devotion when you will relate it with Godhead. Okay? That is property of your heart. Then you have ego. You have ego. That ego, you will merge. If you will merge your ego into supreme consciousness, then you will be yogi. Okay? If your ego is, standing separate from that, you can't be yogi, you can't be one with Supreme Cause. So your ego is related with this, process. And after that, you have intellect, your wisdom. That is the abode of knowledge. Okay? So knowledge is property of your wisdom. That is called Jnana Yoga, is related with your intellect. Okay? And Dhyana Yoga is related with your ego. I amness, in other words. And Bhakti Yoga is related with your heart. And Karma Yoga is related with your body. Can you separate it? And can you live without each, without one? Then how you will lead perfect life without accepting all these forms? Ways. Simultaneously. Okay? This was taught by Lord Hanuman. Deha drishtya tudasoham, jiva drishtya tudansaka, tattva drishtya tudevoham sarvamanishyamati. He taught. Your body should serve people. Okay? Your mind should love God. Your ego should be one with God. Aham Brahmasmi, Soham Asmi. This is ideology. And your intellect must be knowledgeable, aware about that truth. Then you will be perfect person. Okay? So, due to that, in my philosophy, in my tradition, in my way, all are combined. Because all are related with one aspect of life. Okay? If a person is only meditating, he is one-sided person. If a person is studying, he is one-sided person. And those who are beating drum and playing some and Ram Ram Krishna Krishna Ram Ram Krishna Krishna, emotional people, they can't do anything. And Vivekananda told that Bengal become place of cowardice men due to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Due to that, nowadays, follower of Gaudiya Sampradaya, they always abuse Vivekananda because he told truth. Okay? And really Bengal become coward, place of cowardice people. Muslim came from West, but Pakistan become Bangladesh, Bengal. Due to that. So, my dear, I don't want to see Hindu as a cowardice man. No, be brave. Our ideal is Lord Hanumana. If you are ascetic means if you are saintly people, then you must keep a gada with you. Exactly. Don't keep mala. Hanumana is not chanting, Lord name with mala. Have you seen any here? No picture. Always you will see gada. is my idea. Okay? So I want to make Hindus brave and knowledgeful, but not, agnostic people, but gentle people. Hanuman is very gentle. He is praying, Ravana, oh my Lord Ravana, give Sita to Ram. Okay. When he was not agree, then he told, oh, I have Gada too. Don't worry. Okay. And our great seer declared two things. Agrato Chaturo Veda. In front my is 4 Vedas. And Prishtato Sasarah Dhanu. But in my bag there is bow and arrow. First, I will try to teach you in proper way, in gentle way. If you are not agreed, then I have that power to be like this. Then you will be great man, my dear. Then you will be living nation. Okay? Don't be dead nation, be living nation. I want to create such kind of zeal among our people. Okay? Due to that, I don't believe in Ramayana. You will go achieve salvation. No. Yeah, you can do that somewhere. Bhajana is okay, good thing. Saint Tulsidas was, always singing bhajana too. Kabir was singing bhajana too, but not in this way. They were not coward people, brave people. In Bhagavad Gita, there is no place for dancing. But Gaudiya people wrote a commentary on Bhagavad Gita, and they wrote about devotion. If he is dancing in front of Godhead and he is doing this and doing this and doing this, then he is great devotee. Foolish people. I asked one person, and Lord Krishna was teaching to Arjuna that you must throw your bow and arrow, and you must take drum and dance here in the battlefield. Yeah.
Swami, you mentioned Swami Vivekananda's name. How this philosophy or Vedanta philosophy fits into Ramananda? He was on the same lines as Swami Ramananda, or was it Vedanta philosophy talking about the Brahma only? Swami Vivekananda's approach to Vedanta philosophy is a separate?
He was follower of Yoga and Sankhya philosophy. His Vedanta philosophy was not as a, Vedanta philosophy of Shankara. He was not follower of Shankara. Because Sankhya people believe that nature is true, is not false. Okay?
Right.
And he accepted nature is true. And really, Vedanta philosophy is teaching nature is true. But it was twisted by Shankara, not in Vedanta philosophy. Okay?
Shankaracharya was his guru.
Shankaracharya twisted it. Because he was more affected by Buddha, and he was fighting with Buddha. So there is no other way. Really, he was not eager to twist that. He was under pressure to twist it, because he was fighting with Buddha people, Buddhist. Due to that he did. But he gave a real message, and his follower, remove his real message, and whatever he talk in philosophical way, they accepted that. Because that is very easy. I am Brahma, you are Brahma, I am Brahma. Okay, my dear. Is there any question? Anybody ask? Because this is last meeting here. You people go and take me Laukika and Vaidika, he told. Yeah, your camera, but
बस ठीक है। अरे स्वामी जी तो पीछे.
Flash didn't come. Flash won't come because there is enough light.
These auto cameras, you can't fool them. Okay, जी.
सूली ऊपर से गगन मंडल पर सेज पिया की किस विध मिलना हो तेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी मेरो दर्द न जाने को तेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी मेरो दर्द न जाने को दर्द की मारी बन बन डोलूं वैद मिला नहीं को दर्द की मारी बन बन डोलूं वैद मिला नहीं को मीरा की प्रभु पीर मिटेगी मीरा की प्रभु पीर मिटेगी जग वैद सांवली आओ तेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी मेरो दर्द न जाने को तेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी दर्द न जाने दर्द न जाने दर्द न जाने को तेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी मेरो दर्द न जाने को तेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी मेरो दर्द न जाने को बसो मेरे नैनन में नंदलाल बसो